Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, April the 7th, 2021. We have two puzzles left, a tectonic one and a binary one. First, I will solve this baby, a number 259 8. Yeah, 2598. All right, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1 2 3 4 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. All right, so let's get started. Double one, here an O, there an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Then I think we need to compare. Here, no, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Alright, and now double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then. 1, 2, 3. Then I need to compare, I think. Yeah. How about this row in the last row? 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. We need to compare. Yeah, we need to compare. Not the same. We have 101 here. Yeah, this row and that row. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Empty box 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Alright, 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you with the last puzzle for today, a tectonic one, aka Sudoku, with 4 stars. Well, is it really a 4 stars? I don't know. We will see. See you then. Bye bye for now.